One of the struggles that we encountered at Dr. Implant was the consistency of the lab. Many times when you use an outside lab, it's very hard to have consistency with the quality of work that comes back. See, at Dr. Implant, we're more than just a name. We owe our success on results, which is why we have decided to invest in our own in-house lab. The benefits of having an in-house lab is the results you have, they're predictable, you can control it. See, we found the very best ceramists. Our ceramists are second to none. At the end of the day, you can be the very best dentist in the world, but if you don't have a good lab or a good ceramist, the results just aren't there. Another important factor that has helped us tremendously is chair time. When we have our own in-house lab and we're on our own team on board, we can guarantee the results in a quick manner. We don't have to depend on an outside lab having to wait for a case. No, we are the lab. And another benefit, our digital designers are able to show you your smile before the day of the surgery. Isn't that wonderful? At Dr. Implant, we didn't choose the name Dental Implants in 24 Hours for nothing. We are proud to give you a one-piece monolithic prototype of the final design of your teeth in 24 hours, a design that you chose. After 3 months, you come back in the office, we rescan your tissues, and we're able to make changes on that very same smile design. Call Dr. Implant today for a free consultation so you can learn how we can transform your life in 24 hours.